In this video, we will explore everything you need to know about the 2001 to 2023 Toyota RAV4 power outlet fuse location. So come with me and stay tuned. In the 2001 to 2005 RAV4, the fuses are behind the coin drawer, the one left to the steering wheel and below the mirror's control. To get access to it, you just need to open it and you pull away the lid. So here are the fuses. There are two 15-amp fuses in blue color. The left one is for the cigarette lighter on the console panel. And the right side for the rear accessory power outlet is on the center console. The fuse box for RAV4 from 2006 to 2012 may be found beneath the dashboard, next to the hood release. You have to get on your back, rest your head on the mat, and stare upwards. The fuse box is located behind a black cover with a diagram on it. So here are the fuses that you need to check. There are two 15-amp fuses in blue color. The right one is for the cigarette lighter or front power outlet, and the left side for the rear accessory power outlet located on the center console. If no fuse is blown and the power outlet is still not working, you may need to check the accessory and accessory B fuses here. This section applies to anyone who has a 2013 to 2018 Toyota RAV4. The power outlet fuse is located under the left side panels, so it's kind of hidden on this car. You may need to kneel down and look underneath the driver's footwell to spot it. So here are the fuses. There are two 15-amp fuses in blue color. The power outlet number 1 is for the right port, and the number 2 is for the left port. There are two 12-volt power outlet fuses in the 2019 to 2023 Toyota RAV4. One is in the engine bay, and another one is in the driver's footwell area. Just pull out the black cover, and you'll see the fuses. So here's the power outlet fuse. That is a 15-amp fuse in blue color. And this is for power outlet number 2 in the engine compartment fuse box. That is a 20-amp fuse in light green color. So that's pretty much it. I hope this information was helpful for you, or at least a good starting point in troubleshooting the cigarette lighter or the power outlet on your Toyota RAV4. Thanks for watching and see you next time.